We're here today in the popular village of Harbury to show you this unique and charming family home.
Harbury has a vibrant community and offers a wonderful lifestyle. It has 3 pubs, 2 shops including a post office, a primary school and a nursery. It also has a community library with coffee shop. Harbury's conveniently located with easy access to Leamington Spa and other transport links.
Once the local pub, this beautiful home has been recently renovated to create a spacious 5-bedroom family home, offering just under 3,000 square foot of living space. This property combines character and charm with all modern comforts.
We're Angela and Nicky and welcome to Old New Inn Cottage. If you can picture yourself propped up at the bar of this transformed kitchen,
Then please contact us on the details that follow.